Good morning, guys. Hope you guys seen the letter release from DJI about the goggles N3 and then motion control 3 as well to go with DJI NEO. That's very good. Actually, I was waiting for it. I was looking to buy goggles 3, but it's too expensive, like £500 for just for the goggles, and then another £100 or something for a motion control is too much for a little guy like. I was looking to buy Avatar with the goggles 3 and motion control 3 so I can use with NEO, those things with the NEO. But again, it's about 800, 850 on eBay. So too much again. So I was hoping something in the soon after Christmas or something, price go down. So probably I will buy like £700, something like that. But it was a surprise, but I seen the news about the last few weeks going on with the goggles entry, like cheap version of goggles coming, and the rumors and leaks going on. I was really hoping something would come, and I looked at the news yesterday, and it was really good. And I hope like Goggle N3 is very good pricing and everything. And then did you see the combo with everything, or with NEO, 3 batteries, controller, and then motion controller, and then goggles up £449 actually. And I quickly placed an order, straight away, but it takes 10 days in Amazon. I don't know why, but I don't mind how I can wait, but it's take 10 days to come. But when I looked at the updates, there's more updates. Obviously, they make the firmware to compatibility with the goggles and motion controller. That is understandable. And they also updated the phone app, the DJI Fly app in the phone. It's really good as well. Do you see the new updates in the phone? So you can put the full. Okay, someone at the door. Okay, where was I? Okay, yeah, phone app, DJI Fly app they also updated, and it is really good. Very good features there about noise cancelling kind of thing, and then a full landscape, so you can see full version of the VTO camera view in the. This is really good, and we gonna check it because I did download it. I installed it. I just want to see. I'm just gonna look. Can we give it a go? Okay, let's open DJI Fly. Let me do that. Open DJI Fly. Okay. And switch it on. Now. So it detected straight away. And I'm gonna connect. Come on. Can would like to join. Put some lights because otherwise NEO will tell you it's dark environment. It's not a ticket. But I'll put some lights on. Okay, here we go. As you can see, it's only half that like it used to be, but you won't get the full version until you take off and you can view from this. So people say it's only half, and you have to let it take off, and then you can turn in the full screen. Okay, then. Let's try a voice control. Take off.
Got it. Take off.
Okay, well, you can see the full number dive. There we go.
Landing.
Here you go. With the hand. I need to have a full break and side state. With the move and back forward. Okay, you can see, but it's still very much here to race. And so, let me start recording. And sim, then will forward. Yeah, that's that info. And there's of just in place. Either we can water them. You can just say that. The fun.
Landing.